cradle is a near-perfect illustration of the law of conservation of energy. Before we go into greater detail, let us have a closer look of what kinetic and potential energy actually is. When the apple is raised in the air, it has potential energy which is stored, I might say, in the object. As I release it, the potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy as it gains speed. Now that we've learned about potential energy, let us learn about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is energy which is stored inside of moving objects. The more speed an object has, the more kinetic energy it has. Observe as I give this apple kinetic energy. Yeah! Now, if energy is conserved, that is to say, it cannot be created or destroyed, then what happened to the kinetic energy in this apple? It was transferred into the wall, much like that of Newton's cradle, wherein the energy is transferred through the other balls. Now let's take a look at our formula. We have initial kinetic and potential energy. This is transformed into final kinetic and potential energy, which is accompanied by some heat, which I'll get into in a little bit. As the ball is raised into the air, it has potential energy but no kinetic energy. As I release the ball, it gains kinetic energy but loses that potential energy. This energy is transferred through all of the balls and comes out at the end in the form of kinetic energy. That kinetic energy is lost into the form of potential energy as the ball reaches its peak. This whole process is repeated continually until the cradle stops moving due to heat, which I will discuss. Notice how they've stopped moving. This is because sound and heat, which is also energy, was transformed from the potential and kinetic energy. Energy is all around us. The next time you go outside, or perhaps stay inside, try to think about where that energy came from, whether it's heat, light, sound, vibration, or potential or kinetic. Was it always in that form? The answer is probably not. Energy is constantly changed from form to form. Thanks for listening, and you have a good day.